Often I get off this my
I won't forget an intro this time. So I'm doing a little vlog today because me and my man are going out on a little birthday date. His birthday was yesterday, but it was a Sunday, so like everywhere was closed. So I'm taking him on his birthday dinner today. And I decided to vlog because I was supposed to film this week, but I got real lazy. So we're improvising for y'all. But yeah, we're gonna go to this little Italian place he used to work at. We got A1 pizza. I'm going for the pizza. We're gonna get ready together. So yeah, I'm super excited. It's already like 2 in the afternoon, but the restaurant don't open till 4, so we're probably not gonna be out of here till like 6. But I'm chilling in bed because I was trying to match my man's energy with drinking, and I took 2 shots, and I am out like a light. I came back to the room and laid my ass down because I feel like I'm about to puke. But yeah, so we gotta get up and take a shower and do our hygiene and do our makeup and get dressed and all that soon. So, come along. So, I took a shower, I brushed my teeth, I did my eyebrows, I shaved my face. My eyebrows grow back so fast, I literally just did them for the pop-up, but now they're all nice and good. My face is smooth and exfoliated. I'm about to finish up my skincare. I had a small outfit change because I forgot I donated like all of my shoes. Like I donated my white Air Forces, I donated all my heels, and then I left my black and white Vans at my sister's house, and then she moved to North Carolina, so now my shoes are in North Carolina and I'm in Georgia. So I went up doing my green Air Moneys, and I'm just gonna wear my Eagles jacket because it's green, but it still matches my skirt because my skirt is kind of like blue and has a little like blue-green hint, and I'm just gonna wear a black crop top to tie it all together. I don't know what I want to do with my hair yet. I don't know if I want it in a bandana just slick back or in a bandana, you know, swoopy swoop. I'm still trying to figure that out. My skin is a little dry due to me neglecting it. And also it getting cold out. I always use oil regardless, but I wanted to exfoliate my face before I put oil on it because get most of my dead skin off. That's what I did. But I still feel really dry and really like grainy, but it's okay. But yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with my hair. I got my outfit picked, I got my skincare done, my shower done. It's definitely 4:30, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Okay, I got all my makeup set up. I really need to figure out what the fuck I'm doing with my hair now because I did not know what time it was. I was being all leisurely and shit. Not no more. Do I want to do my brows first? Yes, I do. I do this all the time. I get so flustered and then I rush and then I get so confused when I rush. But I'm excited because today I'm wearing the lashes that I bought from the Lover Lash girl. Because she was at the pop-up event. And I'm finally using the lashes. My brows are definitely cousins. They're not even sisters. They're definitely cousins. Hold on, where's the... That's a brow now. But I'm excited. We haven't gone out like on a little date in forever. Just because life has been lifing for us recently. Like we have not caught a break since like October of last year, October 2022. Like we have not had a break since, and it's just wild for us. So the fact that we're able to do this now, I'm really happy. Come say hi to the vlog since it's about you. Happy birthday.
Preach. Gang gang.
I really don't like this foundation.
Why are you using it then?
Because it's the only one that I have. You're gonna buy me a new one? Y'all probably cut off the inner corners of your lash. Stop doing that. Cut off the outer corner of your lash so you still have flare lashes. Okay? We made it. This is the fit. I got my little hair money's on. I'm in the bathroom. I had to fix my hairnet. I didn't record in the car because my man's friend brought his girl and I didn't know if she was comfortable. But yeah, we eat here. I was about to say, I know you're not finna pass here. And that corner in here is bro, my skin is going through it. I feel like a whole new woman. You did?
I'm getting there.
How was the night?
It was fun. I had a good time. I'm glad we both got to get out.
It was fun. Good foods.
Real good.
I am picking up Ignore my apologies is right here. I'm about to do them tonight. I pick up where all my makeup was because unfortunately not all my makeup was. So I'm organizing my little shelf right here. And now I have to organize my crystals. Make sure they're all in the right spot. Finished my shelf. This is what she usually looks like, my makeup, and then my crystals. And on top I got more crystals, and my plant. I love this plant, I've had her forever. I don't think the vlog where I got her is still up here because I deleted so much stuff off of my YouTube. For no reason, I was going through it, and now I can't get it back because I deleted it. I'm gonna journal. I'm gonna fill out my, I'm gonna do this when I journal because my commonplacing has become too overwhelming for me personally. So I decided to give these another try, and I'm liking it. My commonplacing, I can't keep up with it. Like, I love it, but I can't keep up with it. I realized after I printed these ones that I want to start doing them in half sheets, like cut them in half and print them sideways and all that good stuff, like a 4x6. So I can still stick it in my journal with my journal entries. So I still have to look at that when I wake up and when I go to sleep to journal. So we got it. But yeah, I didn't record much because we were with people and I kind of wanted to be in the moment. It was a good time, good food. I was not finna film me scarfing down some pizza, but yeah, I had a great time. Met a new person. I love meeting new people. Yeah, I be inside all the time. But yeah, now I'm chilling. So I'm gonna journal. Yeah, I'm probably gonna pick up some more. It's not that bad. I just gotta get some clothes off of the chair. Yeah, I'm tired. As soon as we walked in the door, I came into the room and I transformed. I got the comfy clothes. I started taking my makeup off, all that good stuff. Okay, so I didn't get enough footage last night, so that's why I'm recording a little bit today. Give this some more length. I'm currently making me some toothpaste. If you want to learn how to make mineralizing toothpaste, remineralizing toothpaste, let's go. I have some melted coconut oil here. That's roughly about like 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I melt it in the microwave. If you don't want to nuke it, you could double boil it. I have me a little jar here, bentonite clay, which is what's going to help remineralize our teeth. You could also add calcium powder. You could also add some sea salt, some Celtic salt that has minerals in it. You can add Irish sea moss powder in there if you don't mind the taste of that. For minerals too, you can also add liquid trace minerals. I don't have none of that right now. I would usually add some liquid trace minerals into here if I could, but I don't have that right now. So I'm gonna take some bentonite clay, since that is what we have right now. Food safe bentonite clay, not bentonite clay that has a whole bunch of additives in it. This is 100% bentonite clay powder. Also, use glass, use wood, don't use metal with bentonite clay because it helps detox heavy metals too. So it'll detox the metals out of the metal utensils you are using and put it into your toothpaste. We don't want that. But you basically want to mix this until it's a paste. You can add water to it if it's too pasty, and then add clay in it, or baking soda in it if it's too liquidy. I'm not adding baking soda either because there's no baking soda in the house. I add the clay slowly because the clay can get real chunky and thick real fast. So now I'm putting it in my clean jar. I sanitized it with vodka. I'm not lying. It's a grain alcohol. It's a good sanitizer. I made the perfect amount. Wow, I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna show y'all. It's so satisfying. It's the perfect amount, dude. But yeah, it's that easy. You don't need all the extra stuff. If you want to add the baking soda, go for it. If you want to add the salt, go for it. If you want to add the Celtic salt, trace minerals, essential oils, it's up to you. I would personally, what I would add to this is trace minerals, and some peppermint oil, and some clove. I do have clove. I honestly just forgot to put it in here, but just like the tiniest bit. This is the toothpaste. I wound up taking it out of this jar and remixing it with, well, not remixing it, but just adding some clove powder into here. Grounded cloves. Don't mind the mess that I have here. Ignore that. But yeah, this is her. It's real simple, real easy, and like I said, you can add anything you want to it, basically. And it's real simple.